Yeah, guys, we have started the installation of the 4 pieces of 8 kVA Felicity inverter. As you can see, we have marked our board. The first process that we use, we marked our board where we are going to install the inverters. And also, as I said in this video, we said we are doing an upgrade. There's also a space for that inverter that are coming here. We also have a 10 kVA 3 pieces. We are going to be making it a 3-phase inverter. So we are going to be showing you the process. You can see our breaker. This is our protective devices, our surge protection, and this is our rating of breaker. We actually size this rating 625 for the PV. As you can see, these are the PV breaker, C25, 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 C25. Now, so like those of you that were asking, how do you size your breaker? Depends of your connection. Probably maybe you are doing in series, so your amperage will be low. But if you are doing in parallel, your amperage will increase, so your breaker size is going to increase. So this is our inverter. As you can see, we are actually doing the preparation for our cable. So you have to use your heater. You have to split your cable to color code it from the black, from the red, maybe for the X. So you can see what we are doing. This is the outside. So we have different breaker here. As you can see, this for the AC section. We have the ABS, and we also have the automatic changeover here. We also have the battery breaker. You can see this is our battery breaker. We are going to be bringing 15 kilowatts here. We have already sized our load, done our calculation. So for those of you that want to ask, maybe to find out how we actually do our calculation, please, you can write us on our page, or you can equally call us on 081 60 44 97 36. And this our bus bar, so we are just doing the preparation. You can see where we are going to terminate our battery. So guys, if you are not be following us, just keep on following us. If you have maybe any other information that you want to ask, we are ready to answer you 24 hours. This Prostar Technical, as I said. Remember, our mission is one with 3 key. In case maybe you want to go green, you want to leave your using although you can just leave other source completely, but if you want to go green, you can contact us. As I said, just write us. Guys, thank you for watching our video and for following us. Any other information, write us, we will answer you. Thank you. God bless.